Let's check the second one. We have v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. What do we use this formula for? Under linear motion. We use it to find the acceleration, to find velocity. We can also use it to find the displacement because the s is the distance. So if we collect data from this question, you have v is what? V is velocity measured in what? Measured in what? Meters per second. Meters per second. But because our V is squared, we're going to say meters per second squared like that, so that we have this power dropping there and there. Aye. Then u squared is the same. So squared, because this is just initial velocity and this is the final velocity. Now, okay, so acceleration is measured in what? Meters per second squared. And s is what? S is distance measured in what? In meters. So now we can get this data and begin replacing it in our formula. So we have being equal to plus 2. So this 2 is what? Is a constant, eh? So we can ignore the 2 because it is a constant. So we're going to have acceleration measured in meters per second squared, and then distance measured in what? In meters. So now you have plus. So we are multiplying this and this side because these are the same bases. What do you do when you're multiplying the same bases? What happens when we are multiplying the same bases? We add what? We add the power. So here there is a positive 1 and here there is a positive 1. So if you multiply m multiplied by m, we're going to have m squared squared. So now we have equal to, who remembers what we said when we are adding the same units? What happens when we are adding the same units? What happens when you are adding the same units? Huh? Why are we picking one when we are